Yapmala Motorsports Club, in collaboration with the Motorsports Club of Meghalaya, is organizing the first Yapmala Northeast Motocross Championships 2021 on 10th and 11th December 2021 at Yapmala in East Jaintia Hills. The main attractions include swimming competition, fashion show by local designers, and a DJ night featuring DJ Jylla, DJ Defrex, DJ Seng and DJ Daffy. 10 stay will be made available for campers on both days. The event is sponsored by Michael Nongtadu, Eccentric and Oldest Jylla. So people, come let your hair down and enjoy the taste of food, fashion and music at the event.
More details, contact 93627 83292 and 98628
Don't miss it.
Working President jong Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee Mpcc Bah James Lyngdoh ulapan bena baula Iehnoh Kam ba ubat bat kumjuh ru na ka jinglong dkhot bat ka seng Congress yakani iathuh ha ka jingiakren bekilat pathai KHUBOR ha ka tarik Nohprah 8,000 arfwe Bah James iathuh ru ba mynta shipor sempat ya pyniasoh lade bat kino ki seng saiñ pyrthei wat lada andang iadon bynta bat ka saiñ pyrthei ha ka jylla uong ba ka Iehnoh jong na ka Indian National Congress kadai namar ka jingbambiang kerkom kam jong ka seng ha ka jylla uong ru bakat kum kariti kam jong ka Indian Congress Committee ya baro ki committee ki badai bantung ha ka party de ban le ahdian ka jingiakren jong president pathamai ka PCC unong yalam ka CLP bat baro ki working president jong ka Mpcc henry shimla don kanu ka jingiakren bat kamdon ka jingiasoh lang hapdeng president ka PCC bat unong yalam ka CLP bat kumjuh bat ki working president henry hadin ka jingshimti jong ba Vincent H Pala kum president jong ka Mpcc shimdon ka dkhot ya ki jingiakren bat kumjuh ya ka jingiasoh lang ya ki rai da president ka PCC unong yalam ka CLP hakabadon ka mynyasoh lang kentho working president barem ka Mpcc Bah James Lyngdoh.
They call us a meeting in Delhi on the 18th. I've told everything what is there. First, about that they denotify me for the election of the convener from the Nohprah constituency. And sad to say, as a working president of the Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee, they changed the password of the Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee without my knowledge. A president can call one call, see Bah James, I will change your password. And the word which I used to do as administration and all, that also has taken away from me. And all the things, I have no work anymore in the Congress. I am a man who works. That's why I have to leave the party to search work, because they don't give me any work now. Kim I come su inga, kamdon come su inga hakani ka party, but nga tharai lo ba kim so don come su inga hakani ka party na ta daw ngala rai ba ngan wi no na kani ka seng ka jong kani ka seng.